today's video, y'all, let me pack my mic up. Today's video is a DIY. I'm not going to call it a DIY. Today's video Alright, so we're gonna now, once we have it in the placing that we want, I think I'm on the, okay, so once we have it in the placing that we want, and it looks okay to me, I'm gonna start pressing for 15 seconds. This is my new logo. I really love it. It's just me. I wear braids. It has my brand on there, and I have tattoos. Love it. And just like that, y'all, it's in there. It is in there. Alright, be back to show y'all how.
This is how it looks, you guys. It's so cute. So cute. Maybe that's all it's not so small, but it's so cute, y'all. I'm gonna be wearing this shirt every time I want to vlog. I'm like, I'm wearing our logo. You see her. You see her. Period. Alright, you guys. If y'all want to see more videos on how to make DIY projects or how to make shirts with heat transfer paper, this is heat transfer paper. So, of course, I have to wait 24 hours before washing it because I just pressed it. Yeah. So, I have to do a separate video for Instagram. And yeah, you guys, I'll be back with another video. Bye.